Happy Thanksgiving. How are you? I hope you guys are having a wonderful Thanksgiving morning. So we are in the kitchen and we are cooking up a storm today, you guys. We're making some oxtails and roast beef and all the good things, So today is going to be like a day in the life vlog. I'm just going to kind of take you around with me today for Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
Excuse me, thank you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just take you guys along with me throughout the day for Thanksgiving. It's pretty much gonna be like a low-key day, but I'm still going to try to get a few things done. I actually have my foyer Christmas tree that I want to decorate. So I decorated the dining room already. You guys got a little glimpse of the Christmas tree, but I'm gonna actually film it so that you can have like that big reveal. And that is going to be coming on Sunday. So definitely stay tuned to that video because it's gonna be a fun one. So I'm gonna go ahead. I actually started making the the beans for my rice and peas. And I'm getting ready to stuff my beef for my roast beef. Michaela's making the oxtails, and we're also gonna do some jerk chicken, barbecue chicken, all the things, the mac and cheese, the potato salad, all the fun sides. So I hope you guys are having a fun morning, and I hope that you guys are enjoying Thanksgiving where you are. So I have my nice beef here. So you guys, when I do my roast beef, when I do any type of pot roast or anything like that, when I cook period, I use natural seasonings. So I use my onions, my green onions. In Jamaica we call it scallions. I have my habanero peppers, but in Jamaica we call it Scotch bonnet pepper. I have my tomatoes and my garlic. So I'm gonna dice all these up, and then I'm going to cut holes into my beef and stuff it. But before I stuff it, I'm gonna wash my beef with vinegar. So you'll see me do the process, and yeah, let's do this.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. Touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused. Turning gold into sand, don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. take me from this tree.